Little storyteller.
Lily the little bunny had soft fluffy white fur and long floppy ears. Today was a very sunny day, perfect for a swim in the big blue pool in her garden. Her friends Barnaby Bear and Finley Fox stood at the edge of the pool with her. The water looked sparkly and cool, but when Barnaby dipped a toe in, he shivered. "It's too cold," he said, pulling his paw back quickly. Finley nodded, his bushy tail drooping a little. "Yeah, brr." Lily watched them. The water did look a bit chilly. She wiggled her nose. She really wanted to swim. The sun felt warm on her fur. She took a deep breath. "I'll try," she said in her small, squeaky voice. She hopped to the edge of the pool. The blue water shimmered. It looked big and a little bit scary. But Lily remembered her mama bunny telling her, "Sometimes the bravest thing is to try something new." She closed her eyes for a moment, then jumped in with a little splash. The cold water tickled her whiskers at first. "Whoa," she giggled, but then, as she paddled with her little paws, she realized something. The water wasn't so cold after all. It felt refreshing and fun. "It's wonderful," Lily called out, splashing happily. Barnaby and Finley watched her, their eyes wide. Lily was laughing and splashing, sending little droplets of water into the air that sparkled like tiny diamonds. Barnaby looked at Finley. Finley looked at Barnaby. They both looked at Lily, who was having so much fun. Slowly Barnaby put one paw in the water, then another. He said. "It's not so bad once you're in." Finley carefully slid into the pool too. "Lily's right," he exclaimed, wagging his tail. "It feels great." Soon all three friends were splashing and playing in the cool blue water. They laughed and chased each other, making big splashes and happy sounds. The sun shone brightly above them, and the water felt just perfect. As the sun began to go down, the friends climbed out of the pool, their fur wet and happy. "That was the best," said Barnaby, shaking his fluffy fur. Finley agreed, his tail still wagging. Lily smiled. "Being brave and trying something new can lead to lots of fun," she said. Just then, a little ladybug landed on a leaf near the pool. Lily, Barnaby, and Finley watched it. The ladybug had 7 spots. "Did you know," said Finley, "that most ladybugs have between 5 and 9 spots?" Lily and Barnaby looked at each other, surprised. They had learned something new, all thanks to a brave little bunny and a swim in a chilly pool.
Please subscribe. Thank you.